Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power outlet is not working. This video will apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover right here. To remove the cover, you want to gently pry it out using a small flat screwdriver or anything similar, even a key would work. And on the back side of this cover you have a small fuse diagram, and this black piece right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check will be fuse number 4, which is this 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews or any similar automotive topics.